The first question says carry out the following divisions. We have to divide these expressions. So let's start with the first one. 28x raised to the power 4 divided by 56x. So 28x raised to the power 4 divided by 56x. What we can do? Write the prime factorization of 28. So 2 into 2 into 7 into prime factorization of x raised to the power 4, x into x into x into x. For 56, prime factorization will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 and 1 x is there, so into x. Now we will, as they are in division, they are in fraction, we can cancel out the terms. So 2 gets cancelled with 2, this 2 cancels with this 2, 7 cancels with 7 and 1x cancels with 1x. So we are left with, first of all, the numbers, there is no number on the top but 2 is there, so it means 1 by 2. And how many x are there in the numerator? 3x, so x cube. So 1 by 2 x cube is the answer for the first division, or first part answer is 1 by 2x. When we divide 24x raised to the power 4, 28x raised to the power 4 divided by 56x is equal to 1 by 2x cube. In the second part, they have given minus 36y cube. So let's write the prime factorization of minus 36. So it will be minus 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and y cube is there, so it means y into y into y. In the denominator it is 9y square, so 9 can be factored as 3 into 3 and y square is there, it means y into y. Let's cancel out what can be cancelled. 3 can be cancelled, one more 3 can be cancelled and 2y can be cancelled. So we are left with minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 and 1y is there, so minus 4y. So the answer for the second part is minus 4y. Let's do the third part now. 66p q square r cube divided by 11q r square. So let's write the prime factorization. It will be 2 into 3 into 11 into p into q into q into r into r into r divided by 11, it is a prime number, into q into r into r. What can be cancelled? 11 gets cancelled with 11 and one q gets cancelled, one r, another r gets cancelled. Now we are left with, on the top we have in the numerator 2 into 3 is 6 and then q and then r. Nothing is left in the denominator, so 6 q, okay, one p is also there, so 6 p q r. So answer should be 6 p q r. So when we divide the third part expression 66 p q square r cube by 11 q r square, we get 6 p q r. Let's do the next fourth part now. 34 x cube y cube z cube. It means prime factorization for 34 is 2 into 17 and x cube, in the denominator we have x, so x cube is x into x into x, here y into y into y and then z into z into z divided by 51 is 3 into 17. Then we have 1x, 2y, y into y and z into z into z. What can be cancelled? First of all, z, all the z's gets cancelled. Y gets cancelled, one more y gets cancelled and one x gets cancelled and 17 gets cancelled. So we are left with First of all, 2 by 3. Then in the denominator, no variable is there. In the numerator, we have 2 x's. So x into x is x square and 1 y. So x square y. So the answer is 2 by 3 x square y. Let's do the last part now. In the last part, we have 12, that is 2 into 2 into 3, and a is repeated 8 times. So writing it 8 times may be a bit difficult. If you see carefully, in the denominator we have a raised to the power 6. So we can write it like this: a raised to the power 6 into a square. Because a raised to the power 8 can be written as a raised to the power 6 into a raised to the power 2. And b raised to the power 8, here we need b raised to the power 4. So it can be written as b raised to the power 4 into b raised to the power 4. Divided by 4 6, it will be 2 into 3, minus stays as it is, into a raised to the power 6 into b raised to the power 4. What can be cancelled? B raised to the power 4 gets cancelled, a raised to the power 6 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. So the answer will be minus 2 a square b raised to the power 4. So minus 2 a square b raised to the power 4 is the final answer for the last part.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.